Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread. First, gather 3 very ripe bananas. Their brown spots mean more flavor. Mash them well in a bowl using a fork, leaving a few small lumps for texture. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 9x 5-inch loaf pan by greasing it lightly with butter or non-stick spray. This ensures your bread won't stick. Now let's combine the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, carefully fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can make the bread tough. Now, add your mashed bananas and any extras you love, like 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or chocolate chips. Pour the batter into your greased loaf pan. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve warm or at room temperature for a truly comforting and flavorful treat. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.